Exercise 6. Where have you been lately? Recently. Where have you been recently? Since June. Where have you been since June? This past week. Where have you been this past week? For the last month. Where have you been for the last month? Since school finished. Where have you been since school finished? Exercise 7. Where have you been lately? John. Where has John been lately? All of you. Where have all of you been lately? Your friend Mary. Where has your friend Mary been lately? John and you. Where have John and you been lately? Everyone. Where has everyone been lately? Exercise 8. Where have you been lately? Recently. Where have you been recently? All of you. Where have all of you been recently? Since last July. Where have all of you been since last July? That student. Where has that student been since last July? This past week. Where has that student been this past week? Exercise 9. I have been busy with extra work. Tied up. I have been tied up with extra work. With business. I have been tied up with business. We have been tied up with business. Completely involved. We have been completely involved. Exercise 10. I have had a lot of work to do too. A great deal. I have had a great deal of work to do too. Finish. I have had a great deal of work to finish too. Also, I have had a great deal of work to finish. Too much. I have had too much work to finish also. Take care of. I have had too much work to take care of also. Exercise 11. I haven't seen you for quite a while. I haven't seen you for quite a while. Heard from you. I haven't heard from you for quite a while. She. She hasn't heard from you for quite a while either. She hasn't heard from you for quite a while either.